Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in New Kingston and we're going to give you a tour of the Trafalgar One building, and that's the building under construction straight ahead. The continued transformation of Kingston's commercial landscape has been marked by several high-profile developments, but few stand out as prominently as Trafalgar One. Strategically located at the intersection of Trafalgar Road and Lady Musgrave Road in the heart of New Kingston, Trafalgar One represents a new era of premium office infrastructure in Jamaica. With its sleek architecture, modern amenities, and strategic business location, this building is quickly becoming one of the most sought-after addresses for professional and corporate tenants in the capital. Trafalgar One is a six-story commercial building which offering approximately 42,000 to 55,000 square feet of modern office space. The structure was designed with functionality, flexibility, and sustainability in mind. It includes 3 levels of parking, including underground facilities, and features amenities such as a ground floor cafe, rooftop event space, 24-hour security, elevators, and backup power systems. These features align the building with international standards and are tailored to meet the needs of financial institutions, law firms, consulting companies, and tech startups that demand reliable infrastructure in a professional setting. The building's central location in New Kingston makes it particularly attractive. Trafalgar Road is one of the city's busiest commercial arteries, lined with embassies, banks, retail outlets, and hotels. The proximity to key institutions and ease of access from surrounding neighborhoods such as Ligonier, Halfway Tree, and downtown Kingston makes it an ideal base for businesses looking to position themselves at the heart of Jamaica's economic activity. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.